Welcome back. Out of 56 cases of rape registered in the year 2012, government has referred only 2 cases to the fast-track court. Data released by state government shows that out of 56 cases, 39 cases were against minor victims. Data also shows that only 50% cases were reported to the police within 3 days of the occurrence of the crime.
The demand for speedy trial in rape cases is increasing. But out of 56 cases of rape registered in the year 2012, only 2 have been referred to the fast-track court. Delay in hearing resulted in 54 accused out of 65 getting bail. In 70% cases of rape were committed against minor victim girls. A data released by state government of the year 2012 and 2013 shows that more than 50% cases were reported and registered much after commission of crime. Out of 46 cases registered during April 2013 to September 2013, only 20 cases were reported within 3 days of the occurrence of crime, whereas out of 56 cases registered in the year 2012, only 29 cases were reported within 3 days of the occurrence of crime. Though the Goa government has started a special women helpline number 1091, people still need to be more sensitized when it comes to such heinous crime. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Kerry drug episode has once again exposed the rising trend of narcotic activities beyond coastal belts. Majority of MLAs are well updated on the persons involved in drug trade and the drug selling points in their constituencies. They know everything, but nothing happens on the ground. Subsequent governments have failed to implement an effective crackdown on the evil trade.
Chief Minister, who is also a Home Minister, claimed that his knowledge about narcotic substances was not updated. But as usual, he was the one who provided the most vital information at length on it.
If any member have a knowledge on this trade, he can brief me. म्हणजे काजोळीचे ड्रग आहे हाय एंड ड्रग हा. तुमच्याकडे असा पळय ते गावठी पयलीचे
फायनलाइज जावना खंयचे ड्रग्स ते
गांजा तुमच्याकडे आतो गांजो पैसे मेळ्ळे की ना फातराची चावी दिवप खंयचो फातर ओ तो 10 नंबर भरला तो फातर असे सांगत ते.
Sakli MLA Pramod Sawant doubts involvement of an influential person in drug cartel at Kerry, while Vishwajit Rane has totally lost the faith in Walpai police inspector.
आणि हाज्या फाटल्यान म्हाका दिसता कोण तरी मोठोय मनीस आसूं शकता त्या विशेष करून त्या गोष्टीचेर.
Police station and PI Walpai, which I feel may not be competent enough, and also he has been there earlier. He knows a lot of people locally. He may not be wanting to take anything onto himself.
And here's some vital information about the drug selling points, straight from the horse's mouth.
एक ट्रिक वापरून ते सगळे गाडे कॉलेजी सायडीक आसता ते ड्रग्स विकता. I know डिलिंग कशें करताले दुकानार कांय दवरिनाशिल्ले ते फातरापणां तुजी पुडी दवरलेली आसा ती उखलून व्हर तूं.
एक सान जासिंतो आयलँड ब्रिज सुंदर GSIDCच्या अंडर बांदलेलो आसा तेजे पोंदार आसता नाल्यार वयर आसता. ड्रग्स मारता मागीर बाटल्यो फोडटा वयता. दुसरें वाडें बीच लायट्यो गायल्या फोडटा काडोक जाय थिंगा. तिसरें आमचे ते रेजना मंडी म्हणजे सगळे.
हांव मडगांवचें उदाहरण दिता. आमी केन्ना कॉमर्स कॉलेजी कडेन बी वता विद्या विकासा कडेन बी आनी अशी ठाणी आसा चोगले कॉलेजीचे जायत कॉमर्स कॉलेजीचे जायत आनी त्या कॉलेजीच्या भायर खंय तरी कोनशाक रावन.
Finally, another admission and a sensible suggestion from Porvorim MLA.
Good initiative, but kindly take the members who know their own areas where we have been asking for hanger drugs विकता थंय आसा आमकां खबर आसा खंय कितें भानगडी जाता त्यो
कर
एक्शन घेवन.
Each and every MLA is well aware about the drugs trade in his constituency, but whenever this issue is highlighted in the House, we only get lofty speeches and assurances, but not concrete action. Will the kick of such lofty speeches overtake the kick of drugs in coming future? Or the kick of drugs will continue to penetrate into the tentacles of Goa and destroy the veins of youth, even during the regime of Manor Parrikar, who is known as no-nonsense man of Goan politics. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Minister for Environment and Forest is planning to have garbage treatment plants of small quantum in villages. Alina Saldana hopes to have a system which would help solve garbage problem in villages and all constituencies. She said government will work out a system considering the costs incurred in the process.
We still have to decide on that, and that will be decided depending on upon the cost. What is feasible? if it is more practical and more feasible to have one major plant for the entire constituency, or whether it is almost, a little give and take if they have separately for each village. But all that has to be worked out. Right now, this is the preliminary stage for the sarpanchas. I leave it to them to decide.
Director of Closed Loop Environment Protection Company held a presentation in Kortali to segregate waste in the villages. He explained some innovative ways to segregate food and mixed garbage.
The idea is because there is one panchayat which has a segregated system put in place. It is working very well through almost 6 or 7 wards. And why can't we not duplicate that across other wards, in other panchayats? So that's what we are about. We are trying to understand and share, bring this as a common platform where we have group discussions and we find the best possible solution to work together on this issue. It's not an individual issue. We have to change some habits in how we work. And that's what this discussion is about. How do we go about to the community and change the habits and make every citizen responsible for the waste?
Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.